Welcome, Lisa. So in this very short video, I will show you how we have updated the user interface to enable you to add credit more easily. I will begin by entering a new customer and reference, in this case a test customer. I will enter items for both registration and microchipping. And I will overpay by €5 in this case, so I will enter 20. You can see the overpayment has been recorded. As you can see, our credit note has appeared, and the under overpayment table shows the €5 credit. So here you can see our registration lodgement is for €5 and our microchipping lodgement is for €15. That is the €10 for microchipping plus the overpayment of €5. I will now search for this customer and use them to create a new receipt. You can see that the €5 has already been applied to a new credit note adjustment field in the user interface. This will show you there is €5 available to apply to this receipt. You can also see it here in the under overpayment view. So I will now simply create a new receipt for this customer and use the €5 credit as payment. In this case, I will enter a single registration item. Note that we can use the up arrows on the left to apply credit, or we can use the green tick in the center to apply all of the credit in one go. So you don't need to apply all of the credit to a new receipt. In this case, the credit pays this receipt in full. Here you can see it has been removed from the under overpayment view and the balance is now 0. We can now switch to the lodgement section and you will see the totals haven't changed as no more money has been paid. Here you can see the microchipping entry hasn't changed from the €15 we applied earlier. We will now check the registration lodgement, and in this case you will see the value hasn't changed from €5. However, our second receipt with a value of 0 has been added. Before moving on, it is important to point out that when an overpayment exists for a receipt, that overpayment will be applied to registrations if that made up the larger value of the receipt, or to microchipping if that made up the larger value of the receipt. Where both values are equal, the overpayment will be applied to registrations. Finally, as requested, you can now view the lodgement number that any receipt has been applied to, or lodgement or lodgements. In this case, this was simply a registration receipt, and you can see it was used with lodgement number 62. And in this case, our receipt was for both registration and microchipping, and you can see it refers to lodgements number 62 and number 63 respectively. Anyway, hopefully this makes sense, Lisa. If you need more information, give me a shout at any time.